The On Geothermal Park is a green industrial park in the vicinity of Hellisheiði Geothermal Power Plant, where On Power has reserved 103 hectares for progressive, sustainability-minded companies to come utilize the resources in the area to create value. We welcome startups and university research projects to our innovation hub, and we have seen remarkable projects start small and grow within the geothermal park. The resource streams available in the geothermal park are renewable energy, electricity, geothermal fluid, steam. There's also hot water, cold water and CO2, and access to the Carbfix technology, which is a technology to store CO2 permanently underground. The benefits of being located in the geothermal park are several. There's the direct connection to the power plant for electricity and other resources. It is the common community offering possibility of a circular economy, common infrastructure and services. The location itself is good. We are about 20 minutes from Reykjavik. We are about 40 to 60 minutes from deep sea harbors and the international airport in Keflavik. And last but not least, there's the opportunity to start small and expand. We focus on sustainability and the circular economy and responsible utilization of resources.